Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, the northern end of the Las Vegas Strip. We're here to check out the Midway Arcade and Circus Act here at the Circus Circus Hotel and Casino. You know, when it comes to ultra-luxurious hotels and casinos on the Las Vegas Strip, certain names just always pop into mind. The Bellagio, of course the Venetian and the Palazzo, the Encore and the Wynn. But nothing really takes the cake like Circus Circus. You know, I always felt that if you were going to Las Vegas with your kids, and I don't know why anyone would do that, but if you were gonna do that, Circus Circus is the best place if you're going to Vegas with kids. Simply book a room for yourself and your significant other at the Venetian or the Palazzo, and then book another room for the children at the Circus Circus. And when you get to Vegas, just drop them off at Circus Circus, and when you're done with Vegas after a couple days, you can pick them up. I'm sure the kids will have a great time, and so will you. All kidding aside, Circus Circus is a great place to come if you're in Vegas with your kids. And as far as the Midway is concerned, a little bit about the Midway. As soon as you walk into the casino at the Circus Circus through the main entrance, if you walk through the casino about halfway through, you're going to see a large circular staircase. Take that up to the mezzanine level and you're at the Midway. If by chance you need an elevator or an escalator, hold on tight. I'm sure there is a way to get up here using one of those two methods. Just ask a staffer on the casino floor and I'm sure they'll help you out. Once you're at the Midway, you'll find all kinds of arcade games, games of chance for the kids and kids at heart, just like games of chance downstairs in the casino for the adults. There's a varying circus acts that perform for free every hour or every other 30 minutes. I'm not sure which it is. And again, it's a free show. They have stadium seating up here. We're going to see in a couple of moments a trapeze artist act, and that'll be in this video coming up shortly. But again, everything is free. There's lots of entertainment up here. There's fast food. There's even a McDonald's up here. Lots of stuff to do if you're in town with your kids. And when I say the trapeze artists are performing for free, I mean free for you. Hopefully they're getting paid.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Circus Downs, and they're off. And on the inside we have Circus Circus Brown number 4 coming on strong, but hey, look who's coming on quicker. It's I'm Gonna Be Glue Soon, the number 5 horse, black up top. I'm Gonna Be Glue Soon pulling away from the entire team. Look at him go. And the winner is, by a nose, I'm Gonna Be Glue Soon. Wait a minute, ladies and gentlemen, we have some bad news. Apparently, I'm Gonna Be Glue Soon has been disqualified for doping. The winner must return his Cupid doll to the Midway Prize Redemption Center. Oh no! By the way, if you are here with kids, or even if you're not, if you're a kid at heart, the Midway isn't the only place to bring them. You can always go to the Adventure Dome, which is all the way at the back of the Circus Circus Hotel and Casino complex. The Adventure Dome is a huge glass dome at the back of this complex, and it houses some thrill rides, some kiddie rides, Rides of all types, as well as games of chances and some places to get some food. If you're an adult, there's adult beverages back there. A great place to hang out. Again, Circus Circus, we all make fun of it, but it's a great place to bring kids if you did happen to have brought them to Las Vegas with you. I've got 1 or 2 Adventure Dome videos on the New York channel. Check them out if you're interested. This is the Arcade Ticket Redemption Center. After you spend hundreds of dollars getting those thousands of tickets, this is where you come to redeem them to get that Tootsie Roll or that Tootsie Pop. And I've just been told by a clerk here at the Redemption Center that the person who returned his Cupid doll because of that doping situation with I'm Gonna Be Glue Soon was told he could keep his Cupid doll. Apparently the horse was not accused of doping. It was the person operating the attraction. See, there's always a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. The trapeze show is about to begin. Let's go down these steps and see what it's all about, shall we?
will begin right after this intermission. Please check the posted schedules for a list of all performance times. While waiting for the next show to begin, there is plenty of...
And that's it for the Midway, folks. I hope you enjoyed your weekend here in Las Vegas. Time to pick up those kids at the Circus Circus, shove them on that Spirit Airline flight, and you guys enjoy that first class ticket home on the premium airline. 1, 2, 3.
Please subscribe to New York channel. Oh, okay, I forgot.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe. Woo!
Smile. 1, 2, 3.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.